beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will move further, and I have added some of the posts on my different categories of the website. And one category is here, which is directory, and we don't have any post here because we will create a complete website for the directory management. And we will actually create a complete classified type website where people can come and they can actually add their businesses, etc. And that will be separate website, and that is also within this course. So that will be in the subdomain, and we will move for that later on. But before that, we will just customize our website a little bit, the main look of our website. You can see that currently I'm satisfied with the look of our website, but you can see we have certain ad here. We have to customize this, we have to change this with our own image, and you can see we have a lot of things here. Okay, one more important thing is you can see that certain categories layout are in a different manner. So for example, you can see one category is displaying posts like this, and one category is like this, straight 4 posts here. One category, you can see this is the category which is showing this type of details, and then health news. Actually we will replace these headings as well, because the sales news is actually showing the Hunza Valley, etc. from the travel thing category. And then latest technology have irrelevant articles as well, and then we have the editor picks, which have some articles. But one more important thing is that here on the top you can see some links over here, and if you click on some link, it will be redirected us to some another website or the main theme of this website. And we have to remove these things, we have to customize these things. And then you can see that we have this ad, and overall website is quite nice. And definitely we can remove some irrelevant sections, and we can add some relevant sections as well. And then the footer, and we need the footer customization as well. So let's see how we'll do that. So first of all, we can go here, and one more important thing is the display of these categories. You can actually modify this by going here, and here for the every category. For example, if we open this business category, you will see that this category has some settings over here. You can see display slide bar on the category, and you can see if something is selected here. You can actually enable the left bar, right bar, two side bar, etc. For specific these categories. And also you can see select featured layout 1, magazine layout. So these are certain predefined styles, and you can choose your own style for specific category. So now we will see that how we can actually fix the header section. So here you can see the top header section. We can actually modify this header section into with our own needs. And for that purpose, you can go to admin panel, and here on the left bar you can see that for this specific theme we have the header builder thing, and definitely you can add a new header. Or if we go to header builder, you will see that we will have some predefined headers. Okay, where are these? This is okay, MailChimp. Okay, we will do that as well. Okay, here you can see the header, main header is here. And if we go to the edit, we can actually edit with pencil as well, but we can directly edit it. And here you can see that we have different type of headers, and we can actually choose these headers as well as per our need. Okay, and you can definitely you can choose your desired header whatsoever. I currently I like my our header here, and we don't want to customize it. Although if you want to create your own header, or you want to customize certain header, you can go here and you can click here on edit with pencil, and then when you will click here, you will be directed to the new page where you will have certain settings, and you can actually adjust your own header. Okay, here you can see we have the logo, and when we click here, you can see here we have the setting bar. We can click here on the setting, and then we can actually modify the settings as well. Okay, as per our need. Definitely I'm not going into too much detail for that, but we want to actually edit the footer thing, so we can click on edit, and you will find out that we have nothing here because this footer is created by Elementor. So we can click here by Elementor. You can create your own footer as well from scratch if you want to do so, but we can actually click here in the Elementor, and now you can see that we have the text, we have the useful links, etc. Let's replace this image, so I will just click on delete, and then we will definitely choose our own logo, which is here, and we will just choose the logo, and you can see that logo size is quite small here, but definitely it is for smaller screen. It is visible for smaller screen, so I will just make it like this, and yeah, now you can see this edit is available. So that is actually this problem, the selection problem. So also you can see the alignment is here. We can align the logo. We can actually find out other things as well, like as you can see, we can link the logo as well if for the custom URL, etc. And okay, we'll do that later. And then definitely you can change the style, and advanced things are also there, but I will just keep it simple. The hide description text option, if you want to hide it, you can do so, but I will keep it, no issue. And then we have this text, so let's click here, and you can see this that this text is available. We will just replace this text with our own text, and we already have this about us page where we have our text written. So let's copy the first paragraph, and we will just go here, and we will just Control A and Control V to paste the new text. And here now you can see that our text is changed, and that's great. We can change the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. So I will definitely later on, but before that I'll just show you some more things like useful link. So for example, if you don't want to display this area, you can definitely replace this with some other module as well, or some other widget as well, but I will keep it like this. And then we have the editor page. You can see that if we click here edit, if you click on edit, you can see that we have these some of the options, like we have the grid, we have the columns, etc. Also, if you will explore it a little bit, you can see that the heading title is also there, post media data is also there, and we will if we go to general, we don't have the category option, although you can have the you should have the categories option in some of the modules of this Elementor, so you can do that as well. So here if we click on style, or if we click on for example, if we click here and okay, let's click here out. Maybe here you can see we have the plus option. So if we click on plus, you can see that we can create a new blocks. And if we, for example, I will just show you this for the idea. So when you will create a new blog, then what will happen, that you can actually click here on the plus, and you will have lot of modules here which you can utilize. Okay, and you can create your own things. Okay, so here you can see lot of things are here, although we don't need this blog, so we don't need it, so we can actually ignore it, or we can delete it as well, I think. So where is the delete option? Yeah, let's click here and it will be deleted. And similarly you can see that useful links is good, and I will actually place some other website links and some privacy policy, etc., and site maps, etc. So we can just click here on the edit link, and then on the left side you will find out a lot of options here, custom link items, list items. And if you click here, you can see that we have the title, and then the link like this, and you can see work with us, and etc. And if you click on certain item, we can replace the link, and actually replace the title as well. So for example, if we write here Unity, for example, Unity assets, okay, or we can game assets, and then we will just replace the this thing with HTTPS. My eyesight has the issue, so I will just go here and I will just copy paste, because I have a little issue with my eyes. So let's copy, and then we will just paste it here. And definitely after making these settings, when we will save everything, we have to update everything, and then everything will be updated, and in our new website you will see that our footer will be a little bit different. I will show you. Let's come here. You can see the logo, you can see the new text and useful link, you can see the game asset. If you click here, we will be redirected to this game asset website. Okay, so in this way we will just actually, I don't want to click here and go to the same tab. We don't want to open this, so I think we should have the option here, link and yeah, if you click here, you can see we have open a new window setting. So that is good, that what we want. So if you don't have the internal links, you should use this, and if you have the external links, you should use this, and if you have the internal links, then you just keep it simple. So now if we refresh, and if we just check it out, you can see that now it is opening a new window. So in this way I will just change the footer. I will just give these I will just change these links. I will just change these things as well, and for the footer I will just check out that whether we have the footer. Yeah, we can actually edit the footer as well, and I will just change the footer, so that sorry, this copyright thing. So okay, developed by is fine, and outright reserved is fine. So here we will say copyright, copyright Okay, I will just check the spelling. Designed by incern and copyright. If we go to certain other website, for example, let's go to Hamari Web, for example. Let's go to the bottom, and they have the copyright or not. Yeah, okay, this option, this C option, actually I want, and 2023. Okay, let's copy this, and here we will just go to okay, and 2003, all right reserved, all the rights reserved, rights or right, okay, I don't know, rights reserved, and designed and developed by incern. Okay, and then we can just select it, and if you want to paste a certain link, you can click here. And also for this link, you should know that whenever you place these type of links, because we don't want to open these link on the same page, then you will just paste the link, and then you will click here on the setting option, and here in the setting option we will have the open link in new tab option. Okay, and then update, and that's it, update it, and let's check it out. And okay, developed by incern, as you can see, it's invisible due to color issue. So if you found this type of issue, if we click here, you can see it's working and absolutely good. But if you find this type of issue, don't worry, we can actually select it, and we have the editor, and we have the color option. We can change the color to something else, so for example this color, and now if we again save it, hopefully it will be visible. So that's it. In this video we have learned that how we can find out our footer, how we can edit that footer, how we can change the copyright, and in the next video, after customizing these things, we will move further and we will customize the other sections of our website. Thank you very much. Goodbye.